Hello everyone, how are you doing? You are indoors during the lockdown. See, this is the EVS book cover, Looking Around, textbook for class 3. We are going to study EVS in this video. Children, we are here today to study EVS. We are going to study Chapter 4 of your EVS textbook, Looking Around. The name of the lesson is Our First School. There are 3 videos to complete the chapter. This is the first video on the lesson. After going through this video, you will know your family. You will be able to identify the relationship with and among the family members. That is, you will be able to write the name of your family members and also the relationship you share with them. Our first school. We learn so many things when we come to school. But do you know which is our first school? Yes, it is our family. We learn so many things from our family, much before we learn from anywhere else. This is because we are so close to our family, but we never give it a thought. We learn everything, whatever are the basic things from our family, then we go to school. Let us think about our family and talk about it. Children, let's hear a song first, then we will continue our discussion.
Mommy and Daddy love me, Grandpa and Granny love me. I love my brother, he loves me. I love my sister, she loves me. Mommy and Daddy, Grandpa and Granny, brother, sister and me. Together we make a family, a happy, happy family, a happy, happy family. Mommy and Daddy love me, Grandpa and Granny love me. I love my brother, he loves me. I love my sister, she loves me. Mommy and Daddy, Grandpa and Granny, brother, sister and me. Together we make a family, a happy, happy family, a happy, happy family. Together we make a family.
Children, when you were born, were very, very small, tiny little kid. You could not eat anything. You used only to drink milk. You could not speak. You could not say anything. You even didn't have hairs on your head. You did not know how to go to toilet on your own. And all your parents took care of you. They raised you. They gave you milk. They gave you food. They taught you how to chew food, how to take solid food slowly and slowly. First you drank milk, then you ate food, then you grew up, you had strength on your legs, and you started sitting up on the bed, and slowly you started walking with touching the hands of your parents or the wall, standing up on your own. Parents taught you how to walk. There were walkers in which you used to be running in the home. Do you have photographs of these or videos of these at your home? You must be having. Ask your parents to show it to you. When you started walking, they must have clicked the pictures. You must ask and see it. You'll be very happy seeing those pictures. See in the picture, the father is teaching the child how to run and catch the football. Parents teach us how to play. Mummy also teaches us how to play Lukka Chuppi in the home. Dadaji also plays. Dadima also plays. So all the games we learn at home initially before coming to school. There are so many things we already learn before we coming to school. In school we get new friends and we make a big team. But at home also our parents teach us all the games so that we come to school and share it with our friends. Respecting elders. Respect is a quality which we first learn from our home. We have in our sanskar, in our culture, to touch the feet of our elders. On our birthdays, we touch the feet of our parents and grandparents and take their ashirwad. They teach us to respect the teachers in school. They teach us to wish everyone, whoever you see. Parents are our best guides of our life. Grandparents are our best friends for in our lives. They show us the right path of life. So basically, we can say that our first school is our home and our first teachers are our family members.
Whom do you love most in your home? Grandparents? Yes, they are the most loving people of the home, aren't they? They tell us stories. Yes, tiger stories too. Children, did you ever sit on your dad's back and played like a horse rider? See, the child is having a gala time with his dad. There is lot of fun at home. During lockdown, aren't you enjoying? Playing Ludo, Carom, and having a nice time, lunch with everyone together, isn't it? How many of your grandparents live with you? Oh, quite a few. You are lucky. Do you serve them tea or do small works for them, like bringing them their specs and cell phones? We should always take care of our elders. Our elders teach us valuable lessons. Our grandparents never scold us. When our parents scold us, they do love us and explain everything with very much love and care, isn't it? Mother or mummy is the heart of the family. From cooking to doing all works, she is the center of everyone. Mother always takes care of me and everyone, isn't it?
You liked it, children? There are two types of family. A small family which has father, mother and children. Parents and children live together in a small family. The other type of family is the big family. You can see in the picture, there are so many members in the family. See, there is grandpa, grandma, mummy, daddy, uncle, auntie, cousins, a very small baby on grandpa's lap, and there is also a doggy you can see. This is called a big family. See in the picture, children, you are saying everyone is eating together. They are having their lunch and dinner. During the lockdown period, this is one thing which everyone is doing together. When you come to school, usually your mom has her lunch all alone, isn't it? But in this picture, in our family, everyone is together, eating together. It's also a great happiness, isn't it? Seeing the picture, can you guess the game? What are the two children playing? Yes, it's chess. You are right. Brother and sister together playing chess. Are you playing chess now at your home? You should learn it. This is a family in the pic where you can see a lot of members. What is the game, children? Can you guess? Yes, it's carom. See, the grandfather is also engrossed in playing carom with his grandchildren. And the granddaughter is seeing and learning how to play. The mother is also peeping from behind. This is like a great time during the lockdown period. If you come from a big family, then all the members in the afternoon can play together. What else do we learn from our family? See, we go to the park with our family members. In the park, sometimes we go with our grandparents if we come from a big family, and we go with our parents if we come from a small family. All children go to the park. Some of them do cycling. See, at the back there is a swing, and a pretty small girl is swinging in the swing, and two people are having great time sitting and eating. One child is reading a book in the park. Do you enjoy going to park? I enjoy going to park every day. But nowadays we cannot go. We have to stay at home. We have to keep ourselves safe, and we have to do all work inside our home. Okay, children? Picnic means happiness. Have you ever been to picnic with your family? Oh yes, usually everyone is happy going to a picnic. I have seen most of the time that picnic is a new place every time. Like it may be a valley of a mountain, a riverside, it can be on an island, besides a lake, it can be in a forest area or near a dam. So the place is new. We have a lot of good sight to see around, good views. We carry our cameras. Nowadays everyone has mobile phones. So everyone click pictures and selfies with the scenic background? Yes, you also clicked. You have your pics. So nice. Picnic means eating also. We eat together. Mostly we carry our food. But sometimes the venue allows cooking as well. And when it's a cooking picnic, it's a great picnic. Usually the men of the family do the cooking. And the food tastes really good. We can also see the procedure of cooking. We learn how large scale cooking is done. Children, I want to tell you one thing. Never waste food. Pack and bring back the unused and leftover food. And don't litter the place. Carry your own bag and bring all wrappers and garbage back to your home to throw in the dustbin. That place should be kept neat and clean as it was. Okay? Anyways, to any place and make it dirty and come back. So next time, whenever you go with your family to picnic, take care of keeping the place clean. The table given to you, name and relationship table. You have to write the name of your family members and how they are related to you. Suppose your father. So in relationship you will write father and name of your father you will write in the name column. Similarly, you will write your mother's name in the name column and the relationship mother in the relationship column. I hope you will do this in your notebook. Here is an activity for you children. You can draw or paste a picture of your family. Either you can paste a picture or you may draw. I would love if you draw. You draw, color. Children, in this video, we learned which is our first school. What are the things we learned before coming to school? We came to know that our family and our parents especially are our first teachers and our first school. In the next video, we are coming shortly with the relationships. What do we call to our family members? How they are related to us. Till then, keep watching the video. Do all the activities and assignments given to you in your notebook. We'll be back very shortly. Thank you and goodbye for now.